field begins to glow. Footsteps trace the pathways where quiet moments flow. Leaves are gently dancing, the sky is painted white. We float above the silence where open worlds reside. Echoes rise from benches, voices blend with cheer. Bikes and joggers passing, the morning drawing near. Sunlight warms the hillside, the meadow starts to play. With every gentle motion, we drift and drift away. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow. Regrets in the hedges, songs beneath the pine, stories told in footsteps, the moment's clear design. In fields where dreams awaken and joy begins to rise, we're gliding over memories beneath the endless skies. By fountains and by footpaths,